First impressions are crucial. They are the building blocks of any relationship, whether personal or professional. The way you present yourself in those initial moments can set the stage for everything that follows. It's not just about what you say, but how you say it, and the energy you bring into the room. They set the tone for all future interactions. Confidence is key. When you exude confidence, you make others feel at ease. This doesn't mean you have to be the loudest person in the room. Sometimes, quiet confidence speaks louder than words. It's about being comfortable in your own skin and projecting that comfort to those around you. A confident man, comfortable in his own skin, is instantly attractive. This isn't about arrogance, it's about self-assurance. Eye contact is vital. When you look someone in the eye, you communicate sincerity and interest. It's a powerful way to connect on a deeper level. But remember, there's a fine line between confidence and arrogance. Confidence is inviting, while arrogance can be off-putting. Hold her gaze, not with aggression, but with warmth and genuine interest. A warm smile can make all the difference. It shows that you're approachable and friendly. When you smile, you not only make yourself feel better, but you also make the other person feel valued and appreciated. Show her you see her, not just another face in the crowd, but as a unique individual with her own story and experiences. Pay attention to the little details. Notice her expressions, her gestures, and the way she speaks. These small observations can help you connect on a more personal level. Not just another face in the crowd. Stand out by being genuinely interested in her. Ask questions that show you care about her thoughts and feelings. Listen actively and respond thoughtfully. This kind of engagement can create a strong foundation for a meaningful relationship. A genuine smile works wonders. It conveys openness and approachability. When you smile, you invite others to share in your positive energy. It's a simple gesture, but it can have a profound impact on how others perceive you. A smile can break down barriers and create a sense of camaraderie. It conveys openness and approachability. Remember your manners. Politeness and respect never go out of style. Simple acts of kindness, like holding the door open or offering a seat, can leave a lasting impression. These gestures show that you value and respect the other person. Be polite, respectful, and attentive. Listen more than you speak. Show genuine interest in what she has to say. This not only makes her feel valued, but also helps you understand her better. Active listening is a crucial skill in building any relationship. Chivalry isn't dead. It's about respect and consideration. It's about making the other person feel comfortable and valued. Small acts of kindness can go a long way in showing that you care. Whether it's offering your hand to help her up, or simply being there when she needs someone to talk to, these gestures matter. These small gestures make a big difference. They show that you're attentive and considerate. It's the little things that often mean the most. When you go out of your way to make someone feel special, it leaves a lasting impression. They show you're a man who cares, a man who is thoughtful and considerate. These qualities are incredibly attractive and can help lay the foundation for a strong and lasting relationship. Remember, it's not about grand gestures, but the consistent, small acts of kindness that truly make a difference. Being present is paramount. Put away your phone. Silence those notifications. The woman in front of you deserves your undivided attention. Listen attentively when she speaks. Ask engaging questions. Show genuine interest in her thoughts, her dreams, her experiences. When you're truly present, she feels seen and heard. This creates a powerful connection, making you unforgettable. Avoid distractions. Don't scan the room, eyes wandering. Focus on the interaction. This shows you value her company. Your time is valuable and you choose to spend it with her. Don't overshare. Mystery breeds intrigue. Gradually reveal your personality, your stories, your passions. This keeps her engaged, wanting to learn more. When you meet someone new, it's tempting to lay all your cards on the table, to share every detail about yourself in the hopes of forming a quick connection. But remember, the allure of mystery can be far more captivating. By revealing yourself slowly, you create a sense of anticipation and excitement. Each new piece of information becomes a small treasure, something to be savored and appreciated. Think of it like a good book. A well-written story doesn't give away all its secrets in the first chapter. Instead, it draws you in with hints and glimpses, making you eager to turn the page and discover more. Your life, your experiences, and your passions are like the chapters of a book. Share them gradually, allowing her to become invested in your story. You don't read the entire plot on the first page. You savor each chapter, enjoying the journey as much as the destination. In the same way, let her enjoy the process of getting to know you. Each conversation, each shared moment is a new chapter in your story together. By holding back some details, you create a sense of wonder and curiosity, making her eager to learn more about you, eager to uncover what happens next. Be playful, leave some things unsaid. This piques her curiosity, making her think about you long after you're gone. When you share a story or a passion, do it with enthusiasm but also with restraint. Let her ask questions. Let her show interest. This not only makes you seem more intriguing, but also shows that you value her curiosity and engagement, making her think about you long after you're gone. Share your passions, but don't overwhelm her. Let her ask questions. This shows you're interesting, not just interested in impressing her. It's about creating a dialogue, a back-and-forth exchange that keeps the conversation lively and engaging. When you reveal too much too soon, you risk overwhelming her and losing that sense of mystery that keeps her intrigued. Not just interested in impressing her. Confidence is key. When you share your stories and passions with confidence, it shows that you are comfortable with who you are. This self-assuredness is attractive and can make her feel more at ease around you. It's not about boasting or showing off, but about being genuine and authentic. It creates a balanced dynamic where both of you feel valued and heard. This balance is crucial in building a strong connection. When both parties feel that their thoughts and feelings are respected, it fosters a deeper sense of trust and intimacy. It's about creating a space where both of you can share and grow together, fueling her desire to discover more. By maintaining an air of mystery and gradually revealing yourself, you keep the relationship dynamic and exciting. Each new revelation becomes a milestone, a moment to be cherished. This approach not only keeps her engaged, but also allows the relationship to develop naturally and organically, creating a strong foundation for the future. Your body language speaks volumes. Stand tall, shoulders relaxed. Project an aura of confidence and openness. Lean in slightly when she speaks. This shows you're interested and attentive. Mirror her movements subtly. This builds rapport and connection. Use touch sparingly but effectively. A light touch on the arm or shoulder during conversation can create intimacy and warmth. Avoid closed-off postures. Uncross your arms, face her directly. These subtle cues convey openness and trustworthiness. Remember, communication is more than words. Your body speaks volumes. Respecting boundaries, navigating personal space. Personal space is sacred. Be mindful of her comfort levels. Don't invade her space too quickly. Gauge her reactions. If she leans in, it's a sign she's comfortable. If she steps back, respect her boundaries. This respect demonstrates your understanding and consideration. It shows you're attuned to her needs, making you all the more attractive. Read her cues. Does she seem open to physical touch? Or does she prefer more distance? Respect her signals. This shows you're not just focused on your own desires, but on her comfort and well-being. Section 6. Passion and purpose. Fueling her thoughts. Passion is contagious. When you share your passions, you invite others into your world, creating a bridge of connection and understanding. Share your passions with her, your hobbies, your dreams. Let her see the fire that drives you, the things that make you come alive. Whether it's a hobby you love, a dream you're chasing, or a vision you have for the future, let her in on it, but also be interested in hers. What makes her tick? What are her aspirations? Listen with genuine curiosity and interest. Ask questions, delve deeper, and show that you care about her dreams as much as your own. A man with purpose is attractive. Purpose gives you direction and a sense of meaning. It shows that you have a path you're following, a mission you're on. It shows you have direction, ambition, and a zest for life. This zest is infectious, making those around you feel energized and inspired. This spark ignites her imagination, making her wonder about the man beneath the surface. She becomes curious about your journey, your struggles, and your triumphs. Don't just talk about your goals, pursue them. Show her that you're committed to making your dreams a reality. Take concrete steps, no matter how small, towards achieving your goals. This demonstrates your commitment and drive. Celebrate your victories, no matter how minor they may seem. Each step forward is a testament to your dedication. It shows you're not all talk, but action. Actions speak louder than words, and by taking decisive steps, you prove that you're serious about your ambitions. This combination of passion and purpose is incredibly alluring. It creates a magnetic pull, drawing her closer to you. When she sees your passion and purpose, she sees a man who is not only driven, but also deeply connected to his inner self. This connection is what fuels her thoughts, making her wonder about the depths of your character and the potential of a shared future. Section 7. Unforgettable experiences. Creating lasting memories. Create lasting memories together. This doesn't require grand gestures, it's about shared experiences. Take a walk in nature, visit a museum, try a new restaurant. The key is to create positive associations with your time together. These shared moments become intertwined with her memories of you, making her think of you fondly. Be adventurous, step outside your comfort zones, try something new together. These shared experiences create lasting bonds and unforgettable memories. Section 8. The art of anticipation, building desire. Don't be overly available. Scarcity breeds value. Give her space to miss you. Don't bombard her with messages. Let the conversation flow naturally. End the conversation on a high note, leaving her wanting more. This creates anticipation for your next interaction, ensuring you stay on her mind. Don't be predictable. Surprise her with a thoughtful message or a spontaneous invitation. This keeps the spark alive, reminding her that you're thinking of her. Section 9. Patience, the foundation of lasting bonds. Building a genuine connection takes time. Be patient. Don't rush the process. Let things unfold organically. Rushing creates pressure and can push her away. Enjoy the journey. Getting to know someone is a beautiful process. Savor each interaction, each conversation, each shared laugh. This genuine approach fosters a strong foundation for a lasting connection. Remember, true connection can't be forced. It blossoms naturally when the time is right. Be authentic, be present, be patient, and you'll create a space where her thoughts naturally gravitate towards you.